Alright, we're back with Japanese cooking with dill. Okay, so now we're going to open up the microwave. It's done. Look at that steamy bag. I'm going to grab it there. You might want to get a plate or something. I think the plates are stored down here. That would be the cups. I mean, you can eat it out of a cup thing, but if you want, but I mean, here at Cooking with Dill, we don't really recommend that. Alright, so you're going to grab a plate. It's definitely a plate if I've ever seen one. And I have seen a few plates in my time. Not gonna lie. So what you're gonna do is one-handed, because I got a camera in one hand. You're gonna use your body like this, right? Bring it down there. Slap that bad boy down there. All right. Yeah, put it over there. Okay. Always remember to close the microwave. It's really important. And then you're gonna grab your cooking scissors. Cut, 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 cut. And cut, and you're good. Alright, so you grab a little piece of plastic that dropped on the floor, you throw it in there, boom. Now you're gonna wriggle it on out there. The technique is to really wiggle it, you know. Alright, remember to recycle. And now you're gonna add the spicy sauce. It has directions for how much spice you want. See there? We're gonna go the whole way. We're gonna go all the way. Once again, you're going to, it says something about something. I don't know, you see that guy's mouth there? Man, my fingernails are disgusting. Sorry for people following away at home. Look at that guy. Like, what does he mean? What does he want with life? I don't know. Anyways, now you're going to cut this bag open, just like that. Poof, maybe a little bit more. Okay. You're just gonna pour it on there. This is some Chef Ramsay's skill level, you know. Half expect him to come walking through the door right now and say, "What is this? This is fucking fantastic, isn't it? Isn't it?" Alright, you want to make sure you get all that spice out. Boom. And recycle. Wash your chopsticks. Really important. Alright, they're washed. And then just mix it, you know? Mix it around. Got some tofu, you got some unidentified meat products. It's great. Bon appetit. Itadakimasu.